Mastering English Prepositions, exploring in for months. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English prepositions, specifically focusing on how to use the preposition in when talking about months. This will be a great addition to your English grammar arsenal and help you sound even more fluent. Let's take a moment to recall what prepositions are. Prepositions are words that express relationships between other words or phrases within the sentence. They often indicate location, direction, time, or manner. Today's preposition, in, is commonly used for expressing time. Now, on to the main topic. Using in for months. When we talk about something that happened during a certain month, we use the preposition in. For example, we say, I was born in December, or she started her new job in July. The preposition in is also used when talking about seasons. For example, I like to swim in the summer. So, when you're talking about something that happened during a particular month, just remember to use the preposition in. Let's practice with some examples. 1. We went on a family vacation in August. 2. He will be visiting his grandparents in November. 3. The flowers bloom in April. Try making your own sentences using in for different months. This will help you to internalize this preposition's usage. Beware of common mistakes when using in for months. Remember, we use in for months, seasons, years, and centuries, but not for days or specific dates. For instance, we say, I'll meet you on Monday, not in Monday. And the event is happening on the 25th of June, not in the 25th of June. There you have it, a simple guide to using the preposition in for months. We hope this video has demystified its usage for you. Keep practicing, and before you know it, you'll be using in like a pro in your everyday English conversations. See you in our next lesson. Happy learning!